Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's try out to make this model inside ONSHAPE. Take a screenshot to look at the dimensions. I'll go for sketch, choose this top surface, make it normal, switch off the datum planes. Go for a center point rectangle, dimension it, (64). This is 76. I'll hit OK. I'll go for extrude, defining it 72, and I'll hit OK. Go for isometry, sketch, choose this plane, make it normal, go for a corner rectangle, starting from somewhere here, and now dimension it. This is 56, and this is 54. Go for isometry, select the region, remove it, and through all. Okay. Again, I'll go for sketch, choose this top surface, go for the center point rectangle, starting from somewhere here, go for smart dimension. This one becomes 36, and this one becomes 50. And if you look at here, so this becomes 13 and 13. Okay, so from here till here, this is 13, and from here till here, this is 13. Okay, now I'll go for this region, remove it, and select through all. Okay, again I will go for sketch, choose this face, and add a circle like this and dimension it. This is 25 from here till here. This is 36, and from this middle point till this one, this is 32, and I'll hit OK. Again I will go for the region to remove and select through all. Okay, now I'll go for the round, defining 38, choose this edge and this edge, and I'll hit OK. Now I'll go to create a plane at the middle of this face and this face. No plane is here, and I'll sketch on it, and I'll choose, and I'll sketch on this plane and make it normal, and I'll go for the corner rectangle, and like this, or either you can go for the like this, and I'll go for the coincident mate, choose this point and this point and this point and this point, and now I'll go for the smart dimension. This is 54, and go for the smart dimension. This one is 54, and I'll hit OK. Go for the rib feature, choose this rib 22, and we are ready. And I'll just hide this plane. So thanks for watching.